Welcome, children, and we're back again with another MCQ. This is part 3 of Madame Rides the Bus out of the 4 parts. Let's quickly begin without wasting much of time. She enjoys her first bus journey. Who does the underlined word refer to in the chapter? Madame rides the bus. So basically, underlined words is she. So conductor, driver, Valley, or none. So we know Valley enjoys her first bus journey, and that is the story all about her first journey. So that's the answer. In the fare of the bus in the chapter, Madam rides the bus is 30 paisa for one way. Then what is the fare for to and fro journey? 90 paisa, 80 paisa, 60 paisa, or none of the above? Very easy, beta. 30 into 2, 60. So 60 paisa. What were Valley's feeling during her first bus journey? As per the chapter, Madame rides the bus, enthralled, enthusiastic, excited, or all of the above. So, children, actually, it was all of the above. So, she was excited, enthralled, and everything. Does Valley from the chapter, Madame rides the bus, get down from the bus in the town? Maybe yes, no, or maybe not. So, we know no because she was afraid. She got scared and did not get down. When does Valley from the chapter Madam rides the bus board the bus? When the driver gave her green signal, when she collected the money for the ticket, or when she received a call from the driver, or none of the above. So children, again an easy one. तो ड्राइवर तो कोई ग्रीन सिग्नल देगा नहीं भैया आ जाओ मेरी बस पे तो उसने जब पैसे बचा लिए when she collected enough money for the ticket she boarded the bus. Next question. Do you know when did Valley from the chapter Madam Rides the Bus plan her bus journey? At night before sleeping, during her school hours, during her mother's nap hours, or all of the above. So we know children, जब उसकी मम्मी सोती हैं दिन में 1 to 4 तो वो चुपके से निकल के बस राइड करना चाहती है. So during her mother's nap hours. What was the source of unending joy for Valley from the chapter Madam Rides the Bus? The sight of the bus, new set of passengers, the sight of people, both sight of the new passengers and new set of passengers. So actually, it is both, new set of passengers and the sight of the bus. So that's the right answer. It may come as both A and B in your question also. So remember, both of them are right. Which sights did Valley of the chapter Madam Rides the Bus enjoy from the bus? Landscapes and canals, palm trees, distant mountains and green fields, or all of the above. So again, an easy one, bachcho, because Valley in the chapter in Madam Rides the Bus, she enjoys everything because she's happy seeing all of these things. So next question. Why did Valley of the story Madam Rides the Bus refuse to accept a free cold drink offered by the bus conductor? Because she was a self-respecting girl, because she did not believe strangers, because she had tonsils, or all of the above. So, children, it's an easy one because she was a self respecting girl and responsible as well. What makes you think Valley from the chapter Madame Rides the Bus was a great planner? She planned school picnics, she thriftily saved every penny, or she planned parties and events, or all of the above. So, बच्चों हम कैसे सोच सकते हैं कि वो एक अच्छी प्लानर थी वैली. तो देखा आपने बच्चों वो जब जॉय राइड नहीं उसने ली, मैरी गो राउंड में पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करे, पैसे बचाए. सो शी थ्रिफ्टली सेव्ड एवरी पेनी फॉर द राइड शी वांटेड. सो दैट्स व्हाई शी वाज अ ग्रेट प्लानर. How much money does Valley from the chapter Madam Rides the Bus spend to get back home? 40, 30, 80, or 50? And children, answer for this is very easy. It's 30 paisa. 30 पैसे में आजकल कुछ नहीं आता. What words are used to describe Valley from the chapter Madam Rides the Bus by the author? Mature, clever and self-respecting, practical, or all of the above. So basically it's all of the above, mixture of everything. So that's all of the above. Next question. Valley of the story Madam Rides the Bus reacted when she was called a child or madam? Strongly, shyly, happily, or excitedly. तो जब उसको मैडम बोला तो कैसे रिएक्ट किया उसने? And children, she reacted strongly. Next question. How long did it take to reach the town from Wali's village in the chapter Madam Rides the Bus? 55 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, or 35 minutes? Children, you'll have to remember this answer is 45 minutes. How did Valley from the chapter Madame Rides the Bus learn about small details about the journey, both listening and asking casual questions? She asked some casual questions to the regular travelers of the bus. She carefully listened to the conversations of regular travelers of the bus, or none of the above. And children, again, I'll tell you, this may come as A, B, C, D, and they could be both A and B. So इसमें यहाँ पे answer जो है, she asked some casual questions, and also she carefully listened. So both उसने किए थे, so both listening and casual. So asking casual questions. सुनती भी थी और पूछती भी थी. What was the most fascinating thing for the Valley, for Valley in the chapter Madam Rides the bus that passed through the street each hour, the hawkers and vendors, the people passing by, or none of the above? So हमें पता ही है, this most fascinating thing for Valley was the bus that passed through the street each hour. What did Valley from the chapter Madam Rides the Bus do to fulfill her desire? She contacted a driver. She ran away from home one day. She saved money, or all of the above. So actually she saved money to fulfill her desire. जिससे कि टिकट के पैसे हो जाए, फिर घूम के आएगी बस में. This is a story about the first bus journey of an 8-year-old girl. Which story is this? Madam Rides the Bus, Valley, Wali Malai, the bus ride. So we know Madam Rides the Bus is the right answer. Dash was also called Valley for short in the chapter Madam Rides the Bus. Vilema, Valliamai, Valerie, or none of the above? Answer again very easy. Valliamai. Next question. Valley from the chapter Madam Rides the Bus thriftily saved every penny that came her way for her school clinic, her first bus journey, her journey back home, or none of the above. Again, children, very easy one. Her first bus journey. Could Wali's mother from the chapter Madam Rides the Bus ever know about her bus journey? No. Maybe, maybe not, or yes. So बेटे ये तो confusion वाली बात है. But actually वो सोती थी दिन में, तो उस time she sneaked out, so नहीं पता लग सकता था. So no. And that brings to the last question, children, for this chapter. How far was the town from Valley's village as per the story? Madam Rides the Bus. 10 miles, 6 miles, 8 miles, or 3 miles? आपको बच्चों ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. It was 6 miles away. That brings to the end of this part 3 as well. I wish you all the very best luck for your life and your exams. Keep on liking and keep on sharing the videos and subscribing the channels. Thank you for watching. Bye.